So this is our recycling box, which is always full at least 2 weeks before we are supposed to take it out. And this here is Sunday's paper, which we already read. And since it's paper, we can put it in. Now, the only thing you're supposed to put in is paper of all types, like we just did, metal food cans, newspaper, aluminum cans, cardboard, plastic bottles and containers, magazines, food boxes clean, which means you don't have milk in the milk jug. You should pour it all out before you put it in. And our recycling box is green because green represents the color of recycling and earth friendliness. This is my mom's compost, and you're supposed to put in it like rotten food, like rotten rice or banana peels, orange peels, or like you can see right here, the peel of onions. And that is supposed to decompose and become dirt in the ground. So instead of having to throw all that stuff away, it's going into the earth. Instead of making a bunch of landfills more full. This is what we use the compost for, is to put the dirt when we get flowers and take all the compost out, decomposes into dirt, and put it so these flowers can grow, so we can beautify the earth instead of throwing all of that throwing all of those banana peels and orange peels and stuff like that in the garbage. We throw it in the compost instead to make these flowers. This is our hedge, and since we live near an Exxon, there's a bunch of trash thrown in here, and that's called littering, and that's not good for the earth. See right here, this bag, it's from there, and I'll put that there, so I'm going to throw it in the recycling later, and it's good to recycle instead of throwing that over here in the hedge, because some innocent animal comes up and gets something out of it that's not good. That'll make the animal die, and we don't want that animal to die. So I hope you've learned how recycling keeps our earth beautiful. Are you doing your part?